if I launch my new product, how I get best sales? Please suggest. You can only get best sales if your product is good. That is the only thing. Always look at two things when you are doing a product launch. First, is your product looking good? Like if your product looks good from the rest of the competition, just check it out and ask yourself this question: is this product that I am going to sell, is the main image looks more better than the competitors or not? If the answer is no, then you hardly are going to get any sales. The second part is, just ask yourself, the price I am charging and the value I am offering, is that same, or the value the customers are getting and the price I am charging is like the value is very high? In that part, you will get a lot of sales. Obviously, the market has to have some demand, like then only you will get sales, right?